Hello students, we have to continue with our lesson number 1, graphs in economics, and here we have completed two sections of use of computer technology in economics. Now third part, data series. Earlier use of computer technology, use of internet technology, and third is data series. Series means compact disk. Full form, it is very important, 1 mark. And here what do you mean by data series? Here the information and data pertaining to macroeconomic, microeconomic and macroeconomic. Macroeconomic means a small amount of data have to be searched, and macro means a wider area have to be covered for the study. Macroeconomic indicators are gathered by authorities and agencies. Authorities means those who have authority to gather the information, and agencies like laboratories, research centers, government agencies, etc. So which are the agencies through which data can be gathered? So this one also 1 mark answer. Then huge data put in a compact disk. Means you all are aware about the CD, and all the data pertaining to the economic research are put on the compact disk. Save this CD for researchers and educational institutions. Whenever data have to be gathered, what is the use of data? That are sold to the different researchers and institutions, those who are researching and further study also some important documentation and research purpose, they are using this data series. Data series used in economics are, which are the type of varieties of data series? CD of National Income Account of India, that are also here, that is a type of CD. Then CD is available of Census of India, different census years were there. Here also you all are aware about 10-year duration of each census of the population. So that had to be started from 1972 with the help of Jamshedji Tata, and till now also it will be continuing. Last census was in 2010, and this year with the help of COVID-19 we have postponed this census. So 2020 is of a census year, but we have postponed. So that data is also available on the CDs. Then annual survey of industries in India, that are also available on the CDs. Next is CD of NSSO, that is a National Sample Survey Organization. They are also put the data CDs for the educational institutions. Then CD of data pertaining to any ministry. Different ministries were there, just like finance ministry, administrative ministry, and so on. So they are using this data CD. Some agencies also create data software. Some are also creating their own software for their own purpose. Example is given CMIE, and its full form, 1 mark, it is very important, Center for Ministering Indian Economy. So that full form is very important. Now difficulties in using data series. You all are aware about the data series, but sometimes difficulties also may arise because macroeconomic surveys happens. So number of CDs have to be arrived for single data census. So here data series and software contains huge size of data, means number of surveys have to be gathered and put on one disk. So that is huge size of data. So it becomes complicated to use. So which CD, which data have to be available, that is very complicated. Next is there, and one example is given with the help of the Clarify. There are several sheets in a CD. Whenever survey have to be happened, for that number of sheets have to be available in a single data sheet. And one must have to know knowledge regarding searching. Means suppose I have the query about 1 year census on a year 2010. What is the census of Gujarat? So for that study, I have to open the Gujarat. Where is the sheet of Gujarat and where is the sheet of our state, different state sheets are available. So that is very difficult. So one have knowledge regarding searching, whatever they are searching. Sometimes what happened, sometimes one searching something and have searched something. So that is wrong and wastage of time have happened. Are relevant data sheets and get the relevant data. So it is very complicated to get the data series for the research purpose. So we have to complete this lesson over here and you have to continue with your assignment and this all things have to be on a note. Okay, thank you.